Now, what about the infected HIV?
Prompt action by Food and Civil Supplies Minister Kamingwan Omban helped save thousands of bighas of paddy fields in Rajabala following an abrupt drop in water levels at the Gomai Jora irrigation project that had threatened to ruin standing crops. The swift response not only averted a looming agricultural crisis, but also provided immediate relief to hundreds of anxious farmers in the region. Rajabala MLA Dr. Mizanur Rehman Kazi immediately contacted Water Resources Minister Kamingwan Omban and senior officials of the department seeking urgent intervention.
And then immediately I called up Honorable Minister of Water Resources and Chief Engineer Water Resources, and with their help, with their kind help, in fact, I should say, I could arrange 420 HP diesel pumps, because electricity problem is also there. So we have arranged 420 HP diesel pumps through the government, and immediately we have restored the water condition there. We are pulling water from down to the canal. Now, all these paddy fields are saved, and I really thank to the government, especially the Honorable Minister in charge, who has been very supportive in helping me in this. And now the issue is resolved, and now